Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. The name is Hassan. This channel is about my struggle to become a profitable day trader. I'm streaming live every market open so you guys can see my entries, exits, all that good stuff. You want to join me on that journey? Hit that like button and subscribe. Let's get to it, man. It is Friday, September 27th. And it's been a pretty good week so far. Wednesday was bad. Wednesday was pretty bad, but Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday have been really good. And just want to have a good finish to the week, man. Just want to have a good finish. I found a new a site called stockanalysis.com and I like it. I haven't used it before, but it's like the filters leave a little bit to be desired, but like the volume filter sucks. But aside from that, you know, you can definitely get your price and percentage gap and all that stuff. But what I really like is that when you find something you like, you can click on it and it gives you so much information. Like one click and I got all this information and all recent news articles right there. That's amazing. This is pretty cool. Yeah, so we'll see how this goes, man. I've been looking for something to make it a little easier for my morning scan. The scanner just doesn't really give me much. What's up, Wave Rider? And so yeah, I found some stocks. They didn't have like the most prettiest pre-market going on, but they got really good daily setups, and I think they got some potential. So I'm just gonna watch them and see what happens with them. But my mains are INTC, Mara, and NNE, Nano Nuclear Energy. GCT also looks kind of cool. Just really light pre-market, so I don't really know what to expect from these. Like the gap up is nice. It's just no volume. It's no volume, but it seems to trade decently, you know. So I don't know. I'm just watching them, just kind of get a feel of the value of these stocks that may not, you know, they don't have the pre-market going on, but they got all the other setup, you know. So we'll see. We'll see. Is that right? Man, yesterday was pretty wild. Yesterday was pretty wild, man. I think a lot of people got tossed to the rocks yesterday, man. That drop was wild. Yeah, Nvidia got smashed. Not as bad as SMCI. What's up, Three Pony? But yeah, I think all tech got smashed like that. I was happy when well, I guess Mara isn't really in that group. Mara's like Bitcoin related, isn't it? Yeah, Mara's a miner. Yeah, so, but here we go.
Hot damn ho, here we go again. Now
We are open.
TTEK.
Man, BZ about to go. What is going on here? Don't go so fast. That's too crazy. Dang, what's going on?
CVS,
Everything is
CVS, STLA, STLA, BBVA.
All right, calm down.
CRT, CRT, UBS, CRT, LYB, FI, CVS, PFE, PFE, PLTR, BNLL, BNLL.
That's enough. That's enough. Everything is going straight down, yo. Big red candles. Except for Pfizer. Yo, Trey, what's good, bro? Okay, Pfizer's looking all right. Might have to dang, that mug is going off. Okay, got a not the greatest daily. Not the greatest daily. Hmm. BMEA. Let me go down this list real quick. Oh, that's what we want right there. That's what we want right there. INTC's looking all right. All right, now don't get carried away without me. Slow your roll. Come on, man. Yeah, I think that thing is gonna be going a little too far. We'll give it some time though. It could happen. BMEA. Oh, look at that daily. Okay, Trey, I like that one. Okay. Okay. Let's see here. Intel's doing good. Toast is going crazy. That's kind of nasty right there, though. Big rejection at 12. Intel looks strong. Toast is going crazy. NNE does not look like it's gonna do anything. His volume scanner be lying. All right, Intel and Toast are pulling back. A little extended, but this is also a high volume candle here. Actually, all these candles are high volume. Um, That's pulling in quite a bit. Joe Dub, good morning, bro. Yeah. There goes NNE. Good Lord. That's so fast. So fast, man. Good volume coming in. That's nice. Come on, Toast. To the moon, baby. Come on, baby. Give me, yeah. Straight like that, like that. NNE testing 17. I need that pullback sauce right up in here. Right up in there. Oh, I forgot BMEA. Put that somewhere. This is kind of cool. I'll wait for a higher high though. I'd like to see it break 12. Mm. 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 Oh, you in NNE? Yeah, I'd like to be in there. Need that good pullback. I mean, I'm chilling though. Let's see what these two positions can play out for me. Stop at lower day. It's a lot of green days in a row on Intel. I don't know. Yesterday was a red day. Yesterday's high 24.42. Higher day today is a couple cents shy of that. Oh, snap. My bad. Why is that the case? Hmm. Uh, Properties. Hmm. There we go. All good now? Sorry about that. NNE, man, just gave me that little 2 red candle pullback. Was not ready. Was not ready. Feeling a little daring over here on BZ with this higher high, but we still way underwater. We ain't doing that. We ain't doing none of that over here, bro. I done got my head knocked off too many times. Bruh, NNE is going, man. I wish this pulled back just a little bit more, man. The 2 red candle pullback is decent, though. It's decent. I'm cool, man. I got 2 good positions. We good. We good. Inshallah. We see we gotta get intel. We need that new high day though. That's what we need. Over yesterday's high. Which is up here. Man. Joe Dub riding that NNE. Come on, Intel. Joe can do it. Man, I'm glad I ain't take that bait. Oh, yeah. Okay, now there's a test at 17 on NNE, which, could be a potential entry. But, no, I'm chilling. Might be able to catch that thing on the 2 or the 5, though. That's a big rejection right there. Got slapped a little bit. Oh, for real? BMEA. Whoa. Through the float. Woo. Oh, NNE pulling back pretty hard, too. I thought it looked like a pretty nasty rejection up there. On the bright side, we got Intel. Yep. Look at that. Stop already up into the green. Already into the green, baby. Straight like that. Come on, Toast. Toasty. Come on, Toast. Let's get that 30-piece popping. Yo. That's 2R up on INTC already. All right. See, this might be a cool little bounce on NNE right there, man. I'm just some big red candles. Nah, now we underwater though. It's a lot of volume up there. Yeah, I don't like that rejection. I'm gonna let you hold on to that one, Joe. This is kind of nice, but this is just it's scaring me right here. That's too wide of a stop. Man. 1710 to 1639. That's garbage. 17 by. It looks good though. I just don't like this rejection. It's got such a nice daily. Whoa. Hey, we over 3R on INTC. Pew pew. Pew pew pew. Pew pew. No, I might put my stop right under this guy right here. Pew pew pew. GCT getting going. Look like new high day maybe. Yep, new high day on GCT. Giga Cloud. I really want to move my stop up right there. But really ain't had no red yet, so I'm gonna chill. That's not a pullback. Toast looking kind of sketch right now. It's actually moved up quite a bit on the daily for today. So I don't know, man. Might have to modulate these expectations a bit. This is where's the buyers at? The buyers have left the building. Where's the buyers? Nobody want toast anymore. Yo. NNE. Just out here trading these trends, man. Keeping it real simple. I don't know, man. I don't know. This toast position is looking sketch. The SPY is dropping. Okay. Little pullback starting on Intel. Get a low here. Consolidation. We'll be patient. We will be patient. I really want to add to this position and raise my stop, but I'm not seeing like, where's the buyers? Where's the buyers? Okay, that's a pullback. Let's get that new high day. I will move my stop expeditiously up to that candle. Okay, got a buyer coming in over here on toast. Am I brave enough? I think I am. 37. That's like a 15 cent stop there. Attention. Stop. That's all the buyers we had right here in this one little candle. Dang. It's coming down. BZ and GCT's going up. How about toast, man? Over here, tight walking my new stop, my updated stop. Yep. Now we wait. Oh. Toast looking kind of dead right now. Well, stops above my entry on Intel, so I really only have 2 R's at risk right now. This was quite a rejection up here, but we got a pretty decent amount of volume underneath that candle. So, hoping we got enough to push through here. Uh, yeah, I think we're getting stopped here, yo. I think it was clear that there were no buyers stepping in, so I should have taken that as my leave instead of adding. Buyer should have stepped in right around 29.50. Gotta use your big brain. Yeah. Good experience. Lost a little more on that one than I wanted to. Same with this one. Seeing that rejection and then jumping in anyways. But we'll see. ONCO. Looking for that reversal. Yeah. I might try toast again on the 5. 29.35. Oh. Oops. Yeah, it's kind of that type of day for real. I was really pushing it with this one. Yeah, and didn't even hold that high either. Yeah, I'm tripping. GCT is what I should have been trying to get into right now instead of BZ. Yeah, it's going too. That thing is showing real strength, holding that high day. Yeah, that was a dumb R to throw out of there. Dumb R. All right. Well, I'm definitely done taking trades. We're just gonna ride these out and see what happens here. What's up, Pond? What are you whatting about? Bet more. How about that? Man, look at this timing on BZ. Tragic. Tragic. Stopped 557 to 540. All right, Pond. All right, Pond. I bet more. I bet more, Pond. I can see the Jack Nicholson meme right now. Uh, if it go up, push sell. Nah, man, I gotta drag my stop or chase it. Then find the next one. No trail stop. I'm, but I'm not. I won't be happy until the trend is over. I want the trend. Uh-oh. Nah, I ain't doing that. Uh-oh. What's happening? Oh, Lordy. Only got 5 cent risk, still $5. Man, what's happening? Why are you doing this, Intel? Why are you doing this? What is the meaning of this? Big wallet, 2440. There's 41. Okay. Mara just retook VWAP. Oh, Intel. It was all a dream. Oh yeah, I'm definitely taking my stop, but man, I like what Mara's doing over here. Come on, Intel. Come on, man. Whew. Looks like it's going down, man. It's going down. It's probably gonna wake me out and then go right back up. And there goes Mara. Oh wow. I had XPev up on the watcher too. That thing going crazy. I'm over here on some junk. Yeah, there goes GCT. I don't think I could have made it out on that one though. Enabled. Kind of want Mara, man. To be honest. That thing is done, man. Well, if NNE stopped me out, we done for the day, man. Max loss is 20. Man, I really like what Mara's doing over here. Come on, NNE. Over 17 is a nice runner. Let's go. Let's go. Mm. Yeah, Mara could be really nice. Definitely wasted some trades on BZ. BZ was a wasted trade. I don't think I'm mad about Toast per se. That wasn't really a great entry. I knew it wasn't a great entry actually. This is kind of how I got caught up on AAL yesterday. Almost this actually this is like exactly what AAL did yesterday. What's up, George? Watch. Came up here, consolidated, did a pop up, and then nothing till much later. But yeah, same thing with Toast. Came up, little pop, and then womp womp womp. Dang, bro. This is really about to be it. What a tragedy. Man, this was kind of high to mess with NNE. It didn't really give me the entry I wanted, which would have been closer to here. I mean, yeah, this isn't a good time to enter. Lower low. Bah humbug. Uh, man, this is not how I wanted my Friday to go. At all. Let's see. Where do we go wrong here? What's up, Love? What's up, Kay? Uh, I could feel this was a subpar entry here. This was kind of like a little FOMO action. I know I want my entry closer to this blue line down here, but I took that anyway. Pure FOMO. INTC was a really good play. That one was nice. I could have actually put my stop right here. I thought about it. I got my stop up to here, but then I added and put risk back on. And that was the end. That was the end of that move. Hey, that's what's up, go getter. Yeah, I know, man. I don't know. Everything was looking okay, and then it just everything changed, and I took on too much risk, like I'm known to do, and everything failed. This was kind of stupid. BZ is really regrettable. NNE is also regrettable because lower low and huge rejection candle. If you step up time frames, it's like, whoa, straight slappage up there. And I was talking about all of that, but I still took it anyway. Terrible habit of mine. Um, yeah, honestly, should have had like a very small win on Intel when it stopped me here. And let it go. Let it go. Yep, I am done for the day, unfortunately. Will not be I very much felt inclined to message my guy and be like, hey man, open me up. And let me get one more trade. I would totally take this trade right here on XBEV. Nice 5 minute setup. But I mean, it's already gone up a bit itself. Dang, man. This could actually get pretty cool. Hmm. For me, when I was doing reversals, I like the confirm. I'm still looking for confirmation, so I'm looking for a double bottom, or at least the first higher high, higher low, which I would think you kind of have going on right here. You know, higher high, higher low. You could take that right there over 565. Stop under low of day, but just don't like reversals. Duo popping again. Yeah, I don't think a lot of people use it. I think Trey likes the TH23. Don't you? Trey uses the 3 minute. That's his bag. Yeah, that was nice on the 5 on XPev. It's still right there. Two years, huh? For sure. For sure. Man, XPev looks like a runner today. All green candles on the 15 with some nice pullbacks in the middle. Yeah. Mr. Low of Day. That's cool. Chicken K. That's funny. Yeah, I think that's pretty obvious. GCT was the move. Oh wow, I didn't even realize the spy moved up like that. NNE is like through the floor. Straight through the floor, man. Yeah, NNE's cooked, man. Sheesh. From 1750 to 1425. That's pretty rough. Is that the one you took on demo? Yeah, it did. Cute. Hmm. Looks like that. Go get her. Man, nothing but losers today, man. I am a loser today. Got some buyers coming in on XBEV. Yeah, I'm watching Mara real close, George. What's up, Jack? Having one of them days, Jack. It's my own vault. But got a little last ditch effort trade going here that not super duper confident about at this point, but we shall see. Need 1266. Man, that's telling you something that winning does to your mindset. Cause I had my first profitable month, and then I'm pretty sure I followed it up with my worst my worst month ever. Something that it's like you got to get used to that part, you know. All right, now finally getting some love over here on XPEV. Jeez. Yeah, there's so many levels to this, man. There's so many mental barriers and levels. Golly, it sure is nice to see some green up there again. All right, got a 5 cent stop now. Kind of potential we got here on XPEV, you think here? Let's see. Let's see. 1303 on that low. I'll be surprised to see it go too deep into 13. Could be nice though. At least no Diddy parties. Yeah, that's true. Things could be a lot worse. Oh man, I feel so bad for Justin Bieber, man. Poor guy. I blame the parents. How you gonna send your kid to Diddy, bruh? Or I guess they sent him to Usher, and then Usher sent him to Diddy. Cold world, man. Cold world. I'm holding my breath for Mara, man. I just needed to make a high day and then give me one red candle, hold that level, and I'm in there like swimwear. Yeah, Bow Wow too, man. But he seems to be handling it a lot better than Biebs, man. You can tell Biebs is having a hard time. I think Bow Wow embraced it. Bow Wow probably want to walk in Diddy's footsteps at this point. Uh-oh. NNE, don't call it a comeback. Oh, that Justin song? I thought that was kind of wild that he was singing that. The Diddy Party song. Come on, Mar. Let me get that higher high through high day. GCT still looks amazing to me, but I just don't think I can. It's up so high already. It's got a nice 5-minute pullback though. Like, got a high volume at the high of day though. That's kind of sketchy. It's kind of sketchy. Let's just try to get one home and then we'll see where we at. This high volume we ran into up here. A little sketchy. It's a trip though. These high volume candles that only moved 1 penny, 2 pennies. It's a big tug of war going on right there. Getting a little chilly over here in Kansas City, man. It was 53 degrees when I walked out the house this morning. Okay, this actually really looks like ending volume right here. But I'm going to play the trend, man. I'm going to play the trend because what I'm going to do, take $4 off the table. Yeah. Man, oh yeah, Monday's a new month, huh? Bro, GCT is like really looking good here. High of day is 82. Just double topped right there, 2 candles in a row. Say that looks pretty good. Mars building up strength. Come on, 83. And not much of a wall in the way at all. Like, this thing can just casually keep going up with no issue. It's probably why it's been going up with no issue. These just few people taking profit here and there. Man, GCT was the one. Yeah, I kind of felt like that was the end. But I'm just going to see if it's going to hold up or not. Yeah, oh yeah. Look at that 50 SMA getting rolled. No Diddy. Well, XPev did not hold the highs. Looks like it's on it. She's on her way back. Yeah, this was odd. It was hopium that kept me in this trade. The hopium. That's going well. Look at that, over 25. Q's dragging feet. Yeah, it is. Sure is. Look like a whole different market. That was pretty obvious. That was the end of the move up there. Whatever. I guess this could be read the same way, though. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I should just scalp my way back. Or walk away. Yep. The old ending volume. It was real fun for a second. Yep. Everything just took a dive. Yeah, I know that feeling. The old buying power restriction. It's definitely messy. For the Grand Slam. Yeah, you're right, man. That five's kind of nasty to jump in right there, too. Hmm. Yeah, I hear y'all. This is it for sure. Yeah, and then the bad thing about this type of thing is that if it works out, all you've done is gotten rewarded for bad trading. So there's really no winning today. Today is a L no matter what. Even if I do pull off a crazy trade on this. uh Golly. It's always clear when it's a bad day when I got 7 things traded or is that 8? Oh my god. Excuse me. Mhm. Yeah, man. Nothing else. Highs are enough to keep us coming back, and the lows are not enough to keep us away. This is an abusive relationship. We're all victims. I'm telling you, Kay. Come on, man. Not the gap down. How you gonna gap down in the middle? uh, Gap down. Yeah. What's going on, Army killing? Thanks for stopping in, man. 38, then back up, eh? It could happen. There goes that volume that I thought was coming in. Looked like it was trying to heat up for a second. All right, that's it. It's a wrap. Another day of destruction. Dang, man. It started off real cool with Toast and INTC, and I was just feeling like, all right, man, I'm gonna just ride with these two. INTC could have been a great trade, but it just didn't. It didn't give me a good spot to move my stop past this point, which is a lot of times a sign that it's about to fall. Like if it just goes straight up for a long time, no pullbacks, the pullback's probably gonna be pretty big. And I was okay with that. I survived this pullback, but it never bounced. Never bounced, man. Yeah, I'm done too, man. What a disaster. What time is it? 10 o'clock. Dang, man. Yeah, I really the best entries for me are definitely in, the open. And, you pick your one or two trades to take in that zone of time. And, if they don't work out, then that's cool. Just that was today. Risk could have been managed well. I would have stopped out INTC like 4 cent in the money. And Toast. Yeah, there was no hope for Toast. Toast would have been a full R, and it would have been a cool little day, plus like 20 cent on INTC, and then -1 R on Toast, and you're like, all right, that was the day. See what Monday brings. But no, I gotta force the market to give me my R's. Keep trying, keep swinging, and end up with a double max loss day. I need to delete. I need to delete my guy's number out of my phone and put it somewhere difficult to get to so that I can't message him and be like, "Hey, can you raise my max loss so I can take another trade?" That I think maybe one time that has played into my favor. But usually the only people who win is the people on the other side of my trades in the market and my broker. It usually always leads to just a bigger red day for me. Process. Process. This is ridiculous. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ST Global Markets. ST Global Markets. it's a great broker, but with great power comes great responsibility. Give it to your wife. I know. Damn, that's a good idea. Dang. That's funny, Jack. I sure wouldn't want it to. If I tell her, like, all right, babe, look, I'm gonna give you this number. If I ask you for it, don't give it to me. Unless it's after hours. That's funny. Yeah. It's just like that thought, like, okay, this is gonna be the one. This next one right here, this is gonna be the one to fix the day. This is the trade right here. This the one. Man, I know, man. I was up nice on INTC, at least 3R up here. I was like, yeah, buddy, we about to have another good day. And I really shouldn't have added up this high from my position. My add is supposed to be close to my entry. Like I could have added here. But to add way up here, that's just hella reckless. Like you're ruining your good entry. This is a great entry down here. And then to add up there, bruh. Now XPEV want to go. All of these were losers today. None of them did anything except GCT, man. I don't even see where I could have entered this thing. Except for right there. 2346. That would have been a crazy entry. Yep. I started off really well. I wasn't willing to accept defeat. It's like in my mind, it's like that's the warrior spirit. Like, attaboy, get back in there. Dust yourself off, get back in there, man. Take another swing. Yeah, I like that sometimes. But it's all those type of that aspect of your strategy is I think a mix of data and your personal emotional tolerance for things. So, you look at ways you take profit and which one gives you the best outcome most of the time, and you kind of weigh that against which one do you feel most comfortable with, like which one keeps you in your seat the most. So for me, I like following the trend. um Sometimes you get break even, sometimes you get a L after a nice pop, but you know I'm comfortable with that. I guess. Am I because I sure kept trading after stopping out. Sure kept trading. Free therapy. uh That's Marcellus. That's why I was like, when I was trading 2 shares last week, it just felt like so pointless. Like I would have great trades, lots of R's, but my reward would be like $2. you know. So I like doing the 5, but it's just the punishment for spiraling out is this. Like, geez, man. Do I still think the trend is there on what? And then I really have a temptation to actively trade because I like, okay, if I wanna move my stop up, but this big move up right here, like maybe sell half, because it looks like it's gonna have to have a major pullback. You could sell half up there and then see if it bounces and maybe you can get more. But it sucks to get this nice of a trade and get nothing out of it. But if I didn't add when this happened, uh, I guess I could have had my stop up to here somewhere, maybe. I don't know. That's true too. That's true. Uh, mm. Yeah, and that's how I feel, George. I want to try to get in early, and once that early is gone, like the time for taking new trades is finished. You know. Mm, God, how did this happen, bruh? Out of control. I didn't even realize I had taken that many trades. Yeah, and that's the thing. I really need to just be content with. I gotta teach myself to be content with whatever my first couple trades give me, and just walk away. Just walk away. I mean, maybe a third, but bruh, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ain't nothing else to watch. Go get them. Ain't nothing on my screen to watch. CNET. Hmm. She's roaring. Fresh into $1. Yeah, Intel was a great trade. And you know what? It's like to stop out, with the tiny green. It's like, hey man, you did what you were supposed to do, right? If I stopped out right here, I did what I was supposed to do. I took a great entry. I took my play. I was patient. I let it make a higher high, pulled back to VWAP and HVS. I took the entry like I was supposed to, put my stop where I was supposed to. It made a higher high, higher low, and then a new high. I raised my stop. Did everything right until it pulled back here. And then I decided to add. That was that was mistake one. That first mistake of the day, it seems to always like there's no room for mistakes, because once that first mistake happens, man, it always bothers me. But I mean, a loss here would have been like, dang, that was a great trade. It didn't work out. It's all good. I did everything right. It didn't work out this time. It's all good. Toast, I don't like this kind of trade. I need to I don't like that. I don't want to take these anymore. I need to take a picture of that. Um, Actually, I don't feel influenced by the stream at all. I don't think. I don't it would be more that I'm sitting in front of a trade station that I feel inclined to trade. If Intel, if I got to 4R or 3R on Intel and cashed out and Toast was break even or better, I'd have been chilling. I would have been cool. It's the fact that I made a mistake on Intel and Toast wasn't really a good trade. And I just felt like I needed to get more. Like I haven't really, like, I don't have a conversation for myself for when I take a couple trades and they don't go well. Like you know what I mean? Like I don't have like, okay, man, this is okay. Take a couple trades, it don't work out. What's the plan? Like I don't have like a preset plan that I've thought about. I'm like, okay, well, that didn't work. Let's go find something else. Okay, that didn't work. Well, let's go find something else. That didn't work either. Damn, let's go find another. You know, that's it's like I don't have like a. I mean, I've had them before. Like, okay, two trades. I can't take the third trade unless at least one of them are green. You know what I mean? If both the first two trades are red, I can't take a third. I've been there before. I guess I need to revisit that because I didn't have any of that in my game plan. I feel like that's something I need to say to myself in the morning. Like, okay, this is what we're gonna do. We're looking for this specifically. Maximum two trades. If neither one of those trades work out, we're gonna be okay with that, and we're gonna come back tomorrow. Something like that. You know what I mean? Instead of, hey, let's go find something else so we can make back these losses. Nah, damn, three losses. Okay, now we really gotta find something good. You know, and it just like I gotta have something prepared, you know, mentally. Um, what stock you talking about a stock in particular, George, or just in general? Okay, but like Intel, where do I set my target for Intel? I'm waiting on this gap to fill. You know what I mean? So, I mean, maybe here, what is this low? 24.73, 24.66. I mean, you know, but we got way more volume over here than over here. Like, that's this old news over there. Um, yeah, I mean, if it's that far back, it's out of relevancy in my opinion. Yeah. I mean, 30 is a pretty obvious level too. And look at this huge gap. Where did I get in? Yeah, see, I got in way too high. That's why I just did that write up just now, because this is how Google, remember, y'all remember all that trouble I was having on Google? This is what Google would do every day. And then I wrote that Sith pattern. Y'all remember that? Where is it? I made up a chart because Google used to get me the same way. Where is that at? There it is. Same way. Google used to always get me with this. Huge move up at the open, and then it would just consolidate or trend down. I think the other half of this is a move down. But this is, I mean, essentially the same thing. I think on the 5, it would probably look exactly the same. Yeah. You know, huge move up. And then that's like, this was the whole move. This is what I need to happen gradually, where I can get an entry down near the lows and then, get out near the top. But if it moves up before I can even get in, and then I get in at the top, like, the move's over. And it was my failure to pay attention to that, because I just don't like this. Like, if I didn't get in down here, it's over. And then, got the whole $1.30 up there, just couldn't make it. Now, INTC was INTC is cool. I have no gripes with my entry or my playing with INTC. I think that was good. It was a great trade. It just didn't. My take profit strategy didn't work well with this price action today. And that's just how it is. You got to pick one and stand on it. It's gonna have days where it works out great, like yesterday and Tuesday and Monday. I had great success with my take profit strategy, and today I would have gotten slightly above break even on INTC, and I think I would have been able to move my stop up a little bit on Toast. Let's see, maybe not. Enter here, stop there. Yeah, so yeah, Toast was just a crappy trade, but I got to be willing to accept, okay, that didn't work out. Maybe there was a moment where I was like, man, it's so early, I got to do something else. Can't just be sitting here stopped out at first 20 minutes of the stream. Yeah, you might have had me right with that one, George. This is disgusting. Yeah, I kind of I didn't really find anything today, and I went digging, like deep diving, trying to find something. And I found Clean Spark. I mean Giga Cloud, that actually traded kind of well, but not really. All I really had that I felt was relevant was INTC, Mara, and NNE. And the only real good entry was INTC. And I could have been cool with that. And took my one trade there, and that's it. That's it. Yeah. I don't think I got any of these off the scanners though. I think I had all these pre-market already. Scanner was doing a lot. I had to mute that thing. Yeah, I only had like 3 things on my scanner this morning and INTC from yesterday. And that should have been cool. That's good when that happens, you know. But instead of feeling that way, I found a new website. Found a new website to find some more stocks to look at, which is I do really like the website, but um this mug is legit, man. But yeah, I did this to myself for sure. I was doing that for a while, George, and even when I started moving, well, managing with my stop, I would still have like I want to sell half where I'm supposed to sell half, you know, which would be a target line or high of day or pre-market high. Like, okay, I got to sell something at this point because this is where you're supposed to sell. But I mean, if it's trending through that point, just keep following the trend, you know. And so I've become I'm good with that take profit strategy. I just also have to be good with the results when they don't play in my favor. You know, at least it would have gotten me above break even, you know. And that's cool. But you know, there's room for being dynamic as well. There's room for you being dynamic as well. Like in this situation where you have a big move up and it's not pulling back at all, the pullback's going to be massive and it might be a good idea to, you know, take some profit at the first sign of your, you know, of the move being done, which this candle right here with the top tail, you know, you can drag your stop or sell some up there. You know, wouldn't have been nothing wrong with that. So there's definitely room to be a little dynamic. And like there was another one I was in, was it BZ? Where I felt like it was pretty clear that the ending volume came in. And I think it was yeah, it was this XPEV. This candle right here, so obvious. I've seen this a million times. A narrow range candle at the top on super high volume. That's always the end of the move right there. You got to put your stop under that and just at least take a bit out, you know. So there's definitely room to be dynamic within my trade management. Yeah. I paid a lot for these lessons today, man, for no reason. For no reason. Yeah, I'm not happy with that though. If I took 5 cent move and then it went up $1, I would be devastated. And you know, I just late to the game on XPEV. That's true. That's true. Gotta have guardrails to prevent a day like this. And my guardrail was having a max loss with my broker and hit the override button. Golly, I gotta promise myself I'm never gonna do that again. Will not message my broker and unlock my account. Cannot do it. Cannot do it. I want to be mad at him for doing it too. how could you allow me to do this? But hey, man, he can't. He'd probably get fired if he turned down them commissions like that. Dang, man. Now I gotta go into the weekend on a failure after such a nice day yesterday, man. Yesterday was awesome. 2 trades. One of them was break even. The other one 4R. Today would have been a break even and a -1R. And I'd still be up from yesterday. Hmm. Yeah. Man. What's up, Danny? Just over here sulking about my performance today. How you doing today, man? I don't even want to look at this anymore. Make it go away. uh, it's cheap. Mm, that's true. Definitely won't be the last one. That's what's up. Mm, process. Yeah, now I feel like I need to go back down to 2 shares, man. It's like no control, man. Can't afford to be losing. What's that? 8R? 8R at $5 risk? Come on, bro. That last one was like, yeah, that last one was 2R too. Trying to swing for the fences. I made it in there late. I got in there with only 30 minutes and then I got here late. It was bad morning, man. It was a bad morning. I got here 30 minutes before the open. Man, Tesla. Mm. Tesla's such a wild stock. Man, sorry to hear that, Jack. I actually, I've been going after my trading, and I kind of like that. Getting a little more sleep in the morning, and just coming straight to the office, and then going to the gym afterwards. I like that. I think that might make that my regular routine. Mm. Oh yeah. That's what's up, Danny. If Nikola Tesla could see this Tesla car company, I think he would sue Elon for defamation of character. For misuse of his name. Tesla's tech was gridless. Mm, that's not a bad idea either, Trey. Coming in and looking at charts, I think will be good, man. I've really been meaning to take snapshots of my charts every day. My data game has been really bad. I do need to make some time to read, man. I got a nice little book list that I have not committed to any time every day to get through. Stuff that I'm really excited to read. I just haven't really made room for it in my schedule yet. This is a ridiculous buy way up here. Total desperation. Total desperation. Look at the volume underwater. Like, totally just like not ignoring my principles that make me trade well. And, yup. All right, Jack. I'm feeling the same way. I don't drink, but I'm definitely might go eat something. I'm a foodie. I like to eat my sorrows away. Well, thanks for hanging out, Jack. What happened today? What's up? You better be there. I took a subpar trade on Toast. You know, which okay. So bad trade on Toast. That gets me feeling the type of way. And then I took a great trade on Intel, but wasn't able to take profit and then added to it up here, which like totally ruined my beautiful entry down here, and then stopped out on that one as well. And then I couldn't accept that. And so I just kept trying, man, and just like low quality setup after low quality. This one, um, lower low, big red candle. I mean, it was over support, but it's still a lower low, and now it's underwater, right? So that was bad. This one way up from support. Actually, nah, this is the support up here. So I'm buying basically at resistance underneath it. Especially after this high volume rejection up here, man. Went up there on volume and came right back in, and then I bought it. So yeah, it was just like I couldn't accept the outcome of my first two trades, and I was just kept trying to get it back, and it was already too late in the day at that point. Like my strategy is playing off the open, and there was nothing that happened late in the day to make these plays acceptable, you know. So yeah, I just wouldn't I couldn't accept the outcome of my trades, man, and I just kept trading. Hit max loss, got locked out of my platform, texted my guy and he unlocked it for me and raised it up to 40. And yeah, so I just did everything wrong, man. I started the day good and just spiraled out. Yesterday was good though, man. Go watch yesterday's review. I need to go watch yesterday's review. I need to go watch yesterday's live stream. But I gotta be the process. I gotta go through the process, and then at the end of the process, I need to accept the results and not try to force the market to give me a good day. You know, I'm not gonna be able to have a good day every day. Every day is not gonna be green. It's not possible. But I can prevent from having a bad day. You know, stopping out on one or two trades is not a bad day. It's just like, okay, it didn't go my way, but -2R. Okay, come back Monday. But you make it a bad day when you just keep digging and keep digging. Go past your max loss. Trade the Qs every day. I tried that for a while. It was alright. It was alright. Ultimately, I just felt like it wasn't for me. But I'm a long only trader, so just trading one thing isn't really good for me. And I don't like I was doing inverse, like I would do the Qs and the SQs, but just flipping back and forth constantly, that was like I didn't like that. It didn't feel like trading. It felt like just placing bets. Uh, that's just not it's not the style that I've become accustomed to. I would be like changing everything to do that. It's not the strategy. It's the mentality. Because even if I said, okay, I'm just gonna get in and get out, there's still gonna be mental hurdles to that as well, you know. If I get in and it drops through the floor on me, that's gonna be pretty upsetting. Like in one candle, you just get in and it just like slams down. That's like, okay, now what? Now what am I gonna do emotionally after that? Like what I feel like is an injustice. Like that's not fair. Why did it that was a good entry. Why'd you stop me out? I gotta fix this. You know, it's the mental thing. I'm content with my strategy. I just have to have it's the little outside stuff, man. The mistakes and being able to hold your ground, you know, hold your mental and have a process that you're committed to and that you always it's got to be a habit, man. Like it's got to be a habit. Yeah, that could never be me. Yeah, that could never be me. I gotta have a stop loss, bro. I'm not even interested in moving to. I know there's people out there who trade without a stop loss and mental stop loss and stuff, but that's a whole nother can of worms to open up. That's how you end up holding the bag. I've been there before. That's why I got my stop loss hotkey. As soon as I get in a position, my stop loss is in place. I don't want that kind of emotional warfare. Do I sell? What if it comes back up? Maybe I should wait. Okay, let me wait and see what happens at this level. Okay, well, it's gonna bounce here for sure. I can't do it, man. I can't do it. Congrats, bro. Love to hear it, man. Love to hear it. I'm gonna get there one day when I grow up. Inshallah. Hmm. Bruh, I got a whole list of them, Trey. A long list and 106 witnesses. uh, indeed. Indeed. Trading is risky. What does Ross say? Most traders lose money and my results are not typical. You too, man. You too, bro. Yeah. I mean, that's what the stop loss is for. That's what the max loss is for with the broker. But yeah. a big volume day. 30 mil. Well, all right, guys. I don't think I have anything left to give. Gonna go lay down and cry in my pillow. Next week, I really think more than 3 trades is a lot. I gotta. Well, thanks, George. I feel like that too. It's just the intricacies of the when things go wrong. When things go wrong is when I is what I gotta get good at. I gotta get good at having a bad day. I gotta get good at losing. Gotta get good at walking away and just accepting the market. Yeah, man. 2 trades. Maybe I should shrink my window. It's gonna be the setup for next week. Yeah, and then you guys can see my orders. Yep, next week I'm gonna try to get in a little even earlier and just I still don't have the perfect morning routine together yet. It was getting there though. This week was pretty good, except for fun. Oddly enough, my worst days were the ones where I got to the office late and it's kind of scrambling. Man, I appreciate that a lot, Vladimir. Valdemar, my bad. Thank you. That's nice to hear in this moment. I appreciate that. Bruh, it's just like you be feeling like you almost there. Like, okay, I know what to do. Like after yesterday, it's like, okay, this is all I gotta do. And then you come in today and just like throw it all out the window, man. But yeah, just gonna get here a little earlier. I think I need to write out a legitimate game plan and just like come in and read it. Like, okay, pre-market, what are we looking for? Like, what if there's nothing there? I feel like when I got here this morning, there was nothing there. Oh no, was that yesterday? There was nothing on my gap list at all. I don't know, man. But I'll figure it out. I'm not gonna give up until I do. Man, do it now. Yeah, you ain't lying. Hmm. All right, what if there's nothing in the scanner? What do you do then? Come in, sit down. There's nothing on the scanner. What's the answer to that question? What do you do? Because usually I just go find some junk. Find some junk. I mean, wait and just wait. Wait for what? The live scanner? Wait for the market to open and see what the live scanner gives me. Have a coffee. Don't stream. Trading's canceled today, folks. I mean, it's definitely not about the stream, but make another kid. I got more. I got enough kids for you and me, bro. Don't put that on me. That's true. So what am I gonna do though? Read? Yeah, that's true. I mean, there are definitely stocks in play. Like, INTC is in play on a daily perspective, So definitely have I think that makes sense, George, to have a active basket, of things that are in play on higher time frames. Yeah, that's pretty much. Yesterday I was watching Mara. Yesterday I was watching INTC. Um, yeah. Yeah. Be right back, y'all. All right, my bad. Some critters been in my attic, man. I heard them clawing around in there, but they're in like this decorative part that's kind of hanging offside the outside of the house, so they're not actually in the house, but I can hear them. I don't know. Beauty of home ownership. um. Hmm. All right. So, man, but like if nothing is on the watch list, that means nothing's gapping up, nothing is moving up on big volume. Hmm. Yeah. That's something that's always been hard for me to accept. Like I've maybe in the 3 years that I've traded, I've sat here and not traded maybe twice. Maybe twice I've done that. Yeah. Yeah, because I mean, my scanner, my gap up scanner isn't even really that rigorous. Like 500K volume, 2% gap. That's not that much. If it can't fit that criteria, I mean, I think XPEV would be one I would add to the list now. I don't know. It looks kind of crappy though. Seems to be on the come up though. Not really much to go off though. Dang, what's up with the spy, yo? Bruh, the market is just so wild. I don't remember it being like this wild. So many extremes each day. But think big. Think big like how? Yeah. Yeah, I should find something that I really like to do that I could do instead of trading if there's no good setups. And I could just come and be like, hey, y'all, I ain't finding anything good, so I'm going to play video games. Oh, yo, streaming PlayStation, man. Yo, we playing PS5. Yo, we playing Call of Duty next time there's no good trades. Oh, snap. Straight up. All right. All right. So we come in, check news, check scanner, pick top 6 setups, rank them 1 through 6, prioritize entries on top 3 over bottom 3. No more than 2 initial trades. I don't even think there's a reason to take a third. So really max loss should be 2R. If I can't take a third trade unless one of my first 2 trades close green, that means if they both close red, then I'm done for the day, right? So max loss is 2R, not 4. Yep. All right, so pick top 6 setup. What do I consider a top setup? Gap above resistance. Room for reward. Throw that notepad out the window. My man always coming through with the he's swing trading on a scalp time frame. I'm swing trading on a scalp time frame. Okay. How come you only pop up on my bad days, bro? If you came in on the good days and patted me on the back, it would really help take some of these these bad day comments you be coming through with, bro. Let's play a game. What time frame is this? Let's see here. Let's take off VWAP. Guess the time frame. This is a snapshot of Tesla's trading. Come on, folks, let's play a game. We got 12 in here. Let me see. What time frame is this snapshot of? High time frame or low? Oh man, the other one went away. What about that one? With the measured moves? What do you mean? What's your vote on this one? It's still, I mean, it's still percentages though. I mean, my point is the time frame is not really that big of a deal. You can't really differentiate one time frame another from another. The first one was a weekly. This is a 1 minute. But retake the screenshot. I just, from my perspective, you see, well, that's one reason why I stopped trading the large caps. But bro, price trends often. Like a good mover moves up in a trend. I just think that most of the time, hmm, I don't have a beef with my strategy, man. My strategy was not my demise today. My strategy is I would have been break even on this trade and -1R on my first trade, but really I wouldn't have taken my first trade if I was really spot on my strategy. The only trade I would have had today was INTC, and I would have got my stop into the green. And if I didn't add, I would have stopped out in the green. And then I should have just been done for the day. Of course, I'm trusting the hour more, but the only reason I'm looking at the 1 minute is because I'm happy with the daily. Because I'm looking at the higher time frames and I'm satisfied with what I'm seeing. And so now, to me, the stock is in play, and I'm looking for a short time frame entry, and so I can ride the trend. These mid caps trend, bro. It's not like a penny stock. The mid caps trend, man. What I trade yesterday, Mara. Did you see Mara yesterday? I took Mara right here yesterday and rode it up to here. I could have almost took it again on the 15 right here, and I would have had that way up to there. The large caps is where I feel like I'm competing against the most algos. The setups I've been taking on these mid caps on the low time frames have been pretty cool. I'm fight. I'm not fighting you in this. I just think you're trying to mold me into something that I'm not, and I don't think there's anything wrong with the way I'm trading as far as my strategy. If I switch to your strategy, there's still a requirement of discipline, of following the rules, and all those things that are the reason why this strategy is not working consistently. It's not because the results are so inconsistent, it's because I'm inconsistent. So switching to your strategy is just going to basically start me over with no experience, and I'm still going to be struggling with the same discipline issues. Like, bruh, this is not a fail in strategy. This is a fail in execution and accepting max loss. Like two red trades, okay, that's no big deal. I'm sure you have two red trades, you know. But okay, I'm gonna listen. Tell me, let me hear you. I'm gonna hear you out. So you're saying I shouldn't be trading on the 1 minute, and I should do what instead? Or are you saying I should just be quick? Like what? So nah, I think 5 trades is still too much, George. This is my Mara trade from yesterday. Clean. I got in here, stop under that candle, and I raised my stop under the pullbacks and walked it all the way up to there. What else we got? That's Mara. Here's WVE. Bought it here, stop under that candle, walked my stop up on the pullbacks, got out some there, got out the rest there. Same thing here. Stop under there, got out there, got out there. WVE. This is all this week. BNZI. 1 minute plays. Got in here, stop under the low, took out there and there. This one I got in on the 5. Just a little, very small profit on that one. Got this way up from VWAP and support where I want to get it, which is right here. But 1 minute. What else we got? JD. Got it there. Stop under the low. Came back to my entry, added, stop up there. Chased it up with my stop. 1 minute chart. All the way up. Look at this big trend I caught. This all this week. This is my strategy playing out over and over this week and me catching it and capitalizing on it. Like, so that's why when you come in and tell me I don't know what I'm doing, like, it's hard for me to accept that. Yeah, that's what I'm telling you, bro. It's not the strategy, it's me. The strategy's good. That when I take it, when I do everything the right way, this is what happens. Fat runs. You know how many R's? This was like 7R. But on a day like today, where I come in and there was nothing, it's not because of it's because of me. That's what I've been sitting here saying the whole time, bro. It's because after this loss on INTC, this was a very good trade. Same situation. Same as all the other trades I just showed you. Bought here at support, stopped under the low. It trended up. It just pulled back, and I shouldn't have added here. I shouldn't have added here, and my stop should have just been here, and I would have stopped out with a very small gain. The problem was I wasn't accepting it. I just couldn't accept the loss today, and I wanted to get it back. There was nothing to trade except INTC today, but I couldn't accept that, and I just kept looking for stuff to trade past, my opportunity. My opportunity usually is in the first 15 minutes. After that, things have usually either moved up or the price range, the trading range is so filled with buyers and sellers that there's no clean price action anymore. Bruh, the pressure to trade is because I'm sitting in front of this computer, bro. It's because I want to trade, and some days I have more control over it than others. Exactly, Daryl. And my weakness is not knowing when it's not my time. Like, it's like sometimes it's an overconfidence thing where I feel like I can pull a trade out of anything when I really need to keep myself to just the super high probability trades, which is when I got a really good gap up and a nice trend in pre-market. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm trying to walk through right now. You talking about throw out the notepad. I'm literally trying to break down where I'm going wrong. And he like, throw the notepad out, bro. Like, this is where I'm going wrong. Like, what do I do when I don't find my setup? That's what I'm literally trying to define that, so that I don't go combing, doing Google searches and finding random stuff like BZ and all this crap that I found, that just look at the pre-market on GCT. It's uptrending, but there's no volume. There's no volume. Look at the pre-market on BZ. It looks absolutely horrid. But there was, oh, you can't even see it. Pre-market on BZ, absolutely horrid. But there was just nothing going on this morning, and I want to trade, so that's why I'm trying to predefine what do I do. Okay, what do I do when this happens? Okay, I'm gonna do this next time. What if there's nothing in the scanner? Okay, I can go through my basket. What if nothing in the basket is good? Okay, no trade day. Pull out the PlayStation. You know? I would too, bro. And that's all I'm doing, bro. I'm literally just trying to overcome my shortcomings because when I come in the morning and there's a nice gap up, you know what I mean? And stocks are in play, I'm going to kill it. I'm going to kill it, bro. But when it's not there, I'm a swing anyway. Like I'd be joking about a dude from Signs. He had the highest home run record and he also had the highest strikeout record. And he was like, it just felt wrong not to swing, man. I gotta swing. I'm standing here. I got the bat in my hand. It's my turn. I've been waiting for my turn. And here comes the ball. Like, how am I not gonna swing? Like that's what I'm trying to overcome. So that's why I got the notepad out, bro. And I'm bringing my PlayStation on Monday. and if I don't find a good thing to trade, then we playing Call of Duty, yo. That's what I'm saying. I had a month all green in July. My first ever green month. But with that comes the winning mind. The winning does something to your mindset just like losing does. I appreciate you, Pharaoh. I believe that. I don't think you just a hater. I believe that, man. I appreciate you. But I just don't think the issue is my strategy. I think the issue is just self-control, man. And just knowing when it's time to play and when it's time to play PlayStation, you know? Queens get money, dollar bill, y'all. Or are you a queen? Yeah, straight up. I'm gonna write that down too. Queens get money. You from New York, bro? Yeah. Yeah, and the thing, Daryl, I gotta be able to accept these days and not spiral out of control trying to make money. Like, dang, my first two trades stopped out. It's probably a sign that this ain't my day. It's probably a good sign. I stopped two times in a row. It's probably a good sign that this ain't my day. Queensburg, South Africa. Oh, okay. That's what's up. That's what's up. Yeah. Yeah, nah, I'm a big Nas fan too. Well, I mean, I don't want to say I'm a big Nas fan, but I've definitely rocked a few of his albums over the years. Definitely a pillar in hip hop. But yeah, bro. I need these things predefined so I know what to do when I okay. So now I got a plan. You know what I'm saying? Next time I come in and there's nothing on the scanner, I'm not gonna go find a cool new website like I did today. Although I'm grateful because I do like this site so far. It's pretty cool. Um, the ease of getting to the news and the data is really good. I'm gonna send these guys an email though. They need to add a few more tweaks to their filters. Maybe they'll listen. But oh, they got popular screeners and everything. I didn't even see this. I can save it. Yeah, this is a dope site. I'm really impressed. But yeah, so now we got a plan, you know? Now we got a plan for next week. Um Man, I really was hoping to make my broker fees this week. Sterling is expensive, man. My broker been trying to switch me over to DOS. He's like, man, why don't you switch to DOS? It's way cheaper. I'm just like, I hate DOS, man. It's so ugly. Yeah, you too, Pharaoh. But yeah, man. So this is what we gonna try to do, man. I might write this up in like a more pretty format in Word or something. And all right, yeah, I'm bringing the PlayStation to work Monday. And yeah, man, we gonna kick it. If ain't nothing popping, I'm straight up playing Call of Duty, man. Got the controller in the bag already. Going down. And I'm changing my max loss to 2R. If I lose 2 trades, I'm done for the day. I'm not digging 3R holes anymore. Yeah. That's the plan. Time is it? 11:47. Yeah. All right, y'all. We got a plan for next week. You know, I'm glad I really enjoyed going through these winning trades from last week, yo. That was actually a really good confidence booster for myself seeing these, you know, cuz you start to feel like you don't know what you're doing. You start to feel like you don't know what you're doing, and it's nice to see, you know, a couple winners, man. I had some really nice trades this week. Really nice trades. I don't even have. Where's my Intel trade, man? I had a sweet Intel trade this week too. Did I not post that? This all from the Discord, y'all. If y'all want to jump in, we got a little charts chart section where we post our charts. No, I guess I don't have my Intel joint in there. Yup. Yeah, when I find the winners, I can kill them. I just gotta sit on my hands when it ain't there. When it ain't there, look out for them lower lows. I can't believe I got on a lower low on NNE. That was wild. That was just a total lapse in judgment on NNE. This right here, boy, you ain't supposed to do that. You're not supposed to do that. That thing was out of play. Yep. But anyway, let me get out of here, y'all. I guess I can do a review. I don't know. I'm ready to walk away from this and not come back till Monday. Man. Well, Appreciate you guys hanging out, man. Hit that like button for me. And if you want to see if I ever make it out of this thing, hit that subscribe button. Anyway, man, y'all have a good weekend. Be safe out here in the world and in these markets, man. And Discord links in the description. Y'all want to hang out, talk stocks and things. And be back at it next time, man. Peace.